Quick video on how to add a hose kit onto a 587 motor. I think this is only on the 587. It'll be a different placement. You can get your seadoo kit. I think there's an aftermarket Atlantis kit with the hose clamps and the actual hose adapter. You need something to cut the line. You need a flathead to tie in these clamps, and then I like to use a shutoff for the hose at this will fit in here, so you can control the water pressure at the hose. You don't have to run back and forth from the barb at the house or whatever. Okay, the 587 motor, it's pretty filthy in here, so I'm gonna get to that. What you want is the water inlet into the engine here, so we're gonna cut right about here with your hose clamps. You could use scissors, I guess, but this is gonna work. This is a PEX cutter, so we'll do that now. Okay, hose is cut. Now we're gonna install this into the center of these two. Can't really do it with one hand, but I will show you. You're gonna put the cable clamps onto each side first. Remember to do that. Okay, so it's all attached and tightened in now. We're going to install this side to that, and then you're connected. This is what it'll look like. The manual states that you should have pinchers, something like this, for a fuel hose. When you do run it for water, behind, so the water doesn't go out, because you want it to go into the engine. So make sure you clamp that down, and then always run these, make sure the motor's running first and then turn on the water. Hose will adapt. This is your hose fitting, and that's it. Thanks.